Students for Sensible Drug Policy is part of an international grassroots movement to end the drug war and all the damage caused by it. This includes breaking up families, especially minority families, impacting communities in very negative ways, and even impacting our country on a national level. Next Wednesday, on April 20th, we will be having a peaceful protest against the drug war under the blue structure on the Grand Valley Allendale campus. The event will feature information about the drug war and how you can stop it. The drug war is very racist. As an example, although only 13% of drug users are African American, over 70% of users arrested and jailed are African American. One of the biggest groups hit by the drug war are students. Students are often some of the biggest users of drugs and some of those most heavily targeted. Especially on Grand Valley's campus, the police force is very dedicated to not only busting parties with alcohol, but also any substance abuse which they deem illegal and therefore harmful. Another big issue that Grand Valley Police likes to target, along with many other police forces across the nation, are alcohol infractions. Even when students aren't being violent or causing damage, even when they're not driving or putting anyone in danger, they are often arrested, put in jail overnight, and fined for the simple use or possession of alcohol. This can impact their lives in a lot of ways, not only their reputation, putting them at risk for not getting jobs in the future, but also educational grants and scholarships are taken away from these students, something which obviously causes a much greater harm to the students than the alcohol in the first place. One of the largest used illicit drugs in America and around the world is marijuana. Although marijuana has been illegal for some time, there is a very widespread acceptance in the medical community of its potential for medicinal benefit. Marijuana can be used to treat chronic severe pain from chemotherapy, for AIDS patients and cancer patients, for chronic pain that has no known medical source. It can be used to help treat glaucoma, for restless legs, for honestly a giant variety of different medical conditions. Because it's so well recognized in the medical community, several states, including Michigan, have put medical marijuana programs in place whereby patients who have a license or doctor recommendation can legally purchase marijuana from clinics. This system, although very useful and a great step towards eventual marijuana legalization or decriminalization, is not supported by many groups, including Grand Valley's campus, who doesn't allow even medical marijuana use on its campus.